Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So recently I've been talking to a lot more people about my YouTube channel, and I've come to the conclusion that a lot of people don't understand or know how people make money on YouTube. So today I'm going to go over 5 different ways people can make money on YouTube. Last month I was able to generate over $600 from my YouTube channel. Let's get started and go over how people make money on YouTube. Number 1 is probably the most well known, and that's Google Adsense. If you don't already know, YouTube is owned by Google, and people with YouTube channels have the opportunity to join the YouTube partnership program, which enables YouTube or Google to play ads on your videos. In order to join the YouTube partnership program, you need 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of watch time over the last 12 months. So let me show you how to check to see if you could monetize your YouTube channel with Google AdSense. So on YouTube, go over to the top right, click on your name, hover down to YouTube Studio. While you're on your YouTube Studio, scroll over on the left-hand side to monetization, click on that. And there you'll be able to see if you qualified to join the YouTube partnership program. Like I said, 1,000 subscribers is needed and over 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period is needed. Right now I'm trying to get a second channel into the YouTube partnership program, so if you're interested in gaming content, feel free to check that channel out. So once you join the YouTube partnership program, you could go under your analytics and there'll be a new tab titled Revenue. Now under Revenue, you'll be able to see how much money you're making per day. And if you scroll on down, you can see how much money that you're making each individual month. And that's Google AdSense. So method number 2 is affiliate links. Now you don't have to be a YouTube partner to make money off of affiliate links. There's plenty of affiliate programs out there. There's the Amazon affiliate program, there's the Walmart affiliate program, and a bunch of companies have affiliate programs. So find a company that you want to work for, and you can add their affiliate link in the description of your videos. And if anyone purchases anything after clicking your affiliate link, you get a cut of that revenue. Now, as you can see on one of my videos, I have in the description a bunch of Amazon affiliate links. Now I have linked in the description below how to sign up for the Amazon or Walmart affiliate program, but this is what an affiliate link looks like. Say if I were to click on this link and I were to order Amazon prints or purchase anything on Amazon, then whoever generated this affiliate link will get a small little percentage of that purchase. And as you can see more in my description, you'll see I have affiliate links for the brokerages that I use, in addition to Amazon links to the equipment I use to produce my videos. Method number 3 is channel membership. Now, if you have a favorite YouTuber and you choose to support them by becoming a channel member, you pay a designated price per month. For example, it could be $5, $10, $15. You can find that section on the YouTuber's main channel, and then you'll see this option to join next to the subscribe button. So if you click on join, after you click join, you'll find ways to support the YouTuber, whether it be $5 a month, and then you'll get loyalty badges and emojis on their live streams. At this point, I haven't made any money off of this revenue stream, but if you're a live streamer, this could be something that is highly profitable for you. Method number 4, sponsorships. Now you could reach out to companies that you want to do business with. For example, you could reach out to Pepsi and be like, hey, I'm a YouTuber, I generate this many views per month, and I'd really like to work out a sponsorship deal with you. You know, you pay me X amount per video and I'll have your logo on there, or whatever deal you might work out. But some people make a lot of money from sponsorships. I've also had people contact me in the past like, hey, I'll send you this free product if you want to do a review on it. Now they're not offering me money for the review, they're just sending me a free product and say, hey, if I send this to you, will you make a video? Sometimes I'll say yes, sometimes I'll say no, but that's just another benefit of making YouTube videos. Way number 5 is merch. Now YouTube has its own integrated system with Teesprings that you could upload a design, and then Teespring will take care of printing your design onto a shirt and shipping that item. So I have not integrated Teespring with my YouTube channel yet because I can't really think of a good design that I really want to push to people. But on Teespring, you could decide how much money each shirt is going to be. For example, I could decide to sell a shirt for $20. Teesprings will take their cut, and then whatever profit after that will go towards the YouTuber. So again, how do people make money off of YouTube? 5 different ways: Google AdSense, affiliate links, channel memberships, sponsorships, and merchandise. If you guys have any additional questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.